Hi, good morning. My name is
Emily.
Carrie.
Lenny Cooperman.
Margarita Ramos.
Luigi Savalos.
Ben.
Diana Mancini.
Greg Fortunoff.
Ping Ping.
Renee.
Ellen Liebenthal.
Jennifer.
Karen.
Megan.
Marlon.
Maria.
I've been working at Jaftex for about 6.5 years.
1.5 years.
10 years.
18 years.
2 months.
9 years.
For a long time.
9 years.
10 years.
5 years.
18 months now.
22 years.
More than 10 years.
14 years.
8 years.
54 years.
So I oversee the whole graphics department, which is just me and one other person right now. We design the card layouts, we design all of the web files, any advertisements you see, that's us, and anything in between that needs someone to design.
I am involved with the flannel lines, with a lot of the quilt groups that the customers send in to us. I work directly with a bunch of the stylists and just all around get a chance to work in pretty much every division of the company. Karen and I have been working on these style boards, which are many color combinations of simple prints. Karen, how do you explain what they do with them?
For backorder bundles and for pre-cuts, basically.
So that's our project for today. We're sending out a second set. We just got an order on one group, and now we're in the process of printing the second group for a go-round.
So basically I handle anything to do with operations. That means the warehouses, shipping. I deal with all of our financial aspects of the business. I deal with credit, releasing orders to the warehouse, speaking with the warehouse, prioritizing our shipping, and just overall operations as far as all the businesses are concerned.
Setting up a bunch of item IDs in the systems. We have to change specific pattern numbers we have to codes for the customer. So that's what I'm doing right now. So very time consuming.
Well, I scout for artwork to be put on fabric for quilting designs. I work with the CAD artists to create collections for the company. So this is the original artwork, and this is what we received from the mill. And as you can see, it's a big difference. I mean, the colors in the strike-off are muddy, flat, nothing like the original artwork. So I'm going back to the mill and I'm telling them that they need to correct it so that it matches the original artwork and increase vibrancy and colors, etc.
I coordinate the design efforts for Studio E. I look for licensors, look for artwork. I work with my artists to create new collections. This is a new basic that we've done. I just got the first strike-offs in on this. And so here that they've just done what we call a split patch rather than one color. Normally we would have one color, but here that they've saved a little bit of time. And so I will comment on each of these and compare to the artwork and see if I like it. And this is a group called Tempest, which is part of our July release. And it's the new basic that we're doing, which has this really nice movement to it.
I'm doing a repeat. Well, I did it already, but I'm not happy with it, so I'm trying to figure out what's wrong. So that's what I'm doing right now.
I like working here. So, I started as a data entry, and then I went into customer service, and now I'm a computer.
Creating. I love creating. I love the colors, and I feel sometimes the colors make me hungry. But that's the beauty of it. They create it, and the challenge of the parents have to interpret it and put it into the fabric.
Creating too. I like creating and putting the group together and make it look nice for you people.
My favorite part of the job? I would say everything. I mean, it's a great company to work for. The people are great. The owners especially are great. So that's comforting, and knowing that my part is contributing to the company's success. That's what's rewarding.
My favorite part is actually making customers happy in any way I can. So that's one of my favorite parts, to make sure that they have everything they need in order to run their business and make things successful for them.
My favorite part is definitely getting to create with the artists that we license with, or creating my own stuff from scratch. But I also love seeing it just when it's produced out in the wild, and we get tagged on social media and we get to see what people actually create with this stuff. So it's great to see it actually being used.
The favorite part is when our team together discuss how to re-engineer the design to fit customers and respond to the market trend.
That's easy. Selling is the best part. Selling is super rewarding, and there's nothing better than making a good sale and going home to your wife or kids and saying, hey, I sold this or that. And in my case, you know, my dad and brother, telling them, it's always very exciting. So that's a good thing.
I like problem solving. You know, Scott and I always say that our job is to help everyone solve problems. And I know everyone doesn't realize it, but pretty much every day there are some problems, some bigger than others. But that's exciting, coming every day, not knowing exactly what's going to be the thing of the day and figuring out how to work it out so that we can be successful.